everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. I just wanted to share this wonderful yarn with you, so I'm just going to do a very quick show and tell video. So let me just move these ones out of the way. So what we've got here is the beautiful Stylecraft Sweet Dreams DK yarn. Now I know I'm saying new yarn, that doesn't necessarily mean it's a new product, it just means that it is new to me. It's one that I've not seen before and it's one that I have recently purchased. So obviously these aren't gifted, these are purchased with my own money because I saw them and loved them. So as I say, it is a DK yarn, it's by Stylecraft and it's called Sweet Dreams, and this particular shade is called Mermaid. And it is just the most delicious collection of colours. I already know exactly what I plan to make with this, and I think I might actually make a start with it this afternoon just to see if it looks as good in real life as it does in my brain. So a little bit more information about the yarn itself. It is a 100% premium acrylic and you get approximately 300 yards or 275 metres as an estimate. And it is recommending obviously a 4mm hook because it is a DK yarn. So obviously depending on the amount of drape you want with your project, you might want to use a slightly bigger hook size to get that really lovely soft drape, but generally speaking, DK you would use a 4mm hook. So I'm just going to hold it relatively still for a second so that you can see those beautiful colours. So it looks to me like it's on a creamy white base, and then it is wound up each bit. We've got yellow, pink, green, blue and purple intertwined with it, and I just think it looks really beautiful. I really can't wait to get working with this one. I've bought the 3 balls of it and I will just make my blanket as big as that will allow me, and then I will use a plain white to do a contrasting border. I will be making a baby blanket with this yarn, so I'm hoping that this 3 balls will be enough to make a nice pram or basket size blanket. Now this yarn I purchased for £3.99 per ball, so it's a good value one. It's slightly more expensive than your basic DK, but you know, if you're going to push the boat out a little bit, then it might as well be for something that is this pretty. So you will be seeing this in a tutorial really soon, but I just wanted to let you know in case you hadn't seen this one either. So let me know what you think, let me know if there's any other yarns that you would like to see a little bit better on the channel, and I will see you for a normal tutorial really soon. But as always, check out my hundreds of crochet tutorials in the meantime, and I will see you really soon. But thanks as always for watching, and bye for now.